My name is Jen.
I'm gluten-free. Get it out.
ماذا تفعل بالفعل؟
See? It's alright. It's all good.
Make the right choice, okay? Hey. That's not it.
The trick is to not let people know how weird you are until it's too late for them to back out.
Excuse me?
Он вообще...
Видно.
Oh. 2.
It's the second I get a... Oh.
Paige, it's you.
What are you two doing?
Are you gonna jump? Don't jump! Pussy. Damn, you got something on you. You just got something.
Oh my.
No! You good?
Thor. What?
I'm just trying to pet you.
Hello?
Oh,
Hang on.
okay.
Catnip. Was it you? Boop.
Nanti cariin abang Atar loh, Cocok. Cocok.
Wait. Yes.
Wait.
It's just a slip.
Hey, don't bite!
That is rude. Stop.
And you're gonna be a nice big sister. Yes, you are.
No. No.
Do something, cat.
Stop, you're scaring me.
His face. Don't bite me. Why'd you bite me? Don't do it.
Can you show me your booty?
No. Oh my god. Oh my god.
kitty. I can't put them back yet. Oh.
I got my cat one of these things you can sit in so you can see their feet.
Go, go.
No, it's meow mix. Try again.
Under arrest.
So, mirror, stand on the wall. Please try to make me the coolest kid of them all. This girl with the hair, better beware, cause everywhere she be, I'ma be there like. Hello, my name is Susie. That's Susie with the Z. And no, I did say Susie. Originality, my mom told me that I would be the coolest. Yep. And if people don't like it, then they're.
That's my boy. No, my boy! Father, help!
You can't get in the shower.
Hello. Hello. Hi.
Oh my god.